Hello, good morning. Today is the 26th August 2026. In front of you, WTI crude oil futures trading right now $80.70. So the opening itself, the downside we seen at about $1.5. Right now the 1.66 downside right now trading at live is $80.71. And about Indian press, trading about 7704, so it means that still that is a comparatively yesterday closing 133 points downside what we seen. The lowest is at about 7646, and whereas the highest was seen that click of that earlier as 7735. So that since from opening it is in long side build up what we seen. So volume is at about 5139 lots activated, and come to the point about the open interest is at about 11,051, whereas that open interest down at about 270 lots. And come to the point about today is the inventory is about expectation is actually the street expectation is at about 1.9 million barrels injection. That is so increasing that inventory as per the expectation, but whatever the actual that to be 20 hours of Indian Standard Time to be declared. So whatever, this is a inventory report. Today is the special day for the crude oil, but last 3 days what we seen that a downside much more, so from 8,400 to 7,600. You can say that 7,646 is the least of as on today. So from last 4 days. So about our profit club, so we recommended about in profit club. This is a profit club is the Excel Practice Educational Academy Profit Club in Telegram. That was to be that is today is the call number 11. The crude oil, so we recommended, of course the price is decided, so that is recommended price is at about 7,655, right? Whereas right now is 7,700 plus. So that is our price. We waiting for that price to be observation. So because of today is the inventory as well as the last 3 days the big fall what we seen in the crude oil, so that is a real activate price to be supposed to be wait further more times than to come against 7655, otherwise to according to time we will decide. This is our practice call observation in Telegram. So what we see in this is that was to be modified to be in small lots in different intervals of price, and that maybe the plan is to be differ according to the time. So this is about the crude oil today's the possibility of in green. So that is our expectation, but the special day is inventory. Altogether we will see on live the what actual probabilities. So whereas that our profit club yesterday profited about 9,000, so we are playing very little and only the few calls according to the time only decided. We do not want to be, I mean, to lose the our capital. That is our criteria. So that is the intraday, the whatever the profit the trading a minimum and to be getting the maximum, that depends upon the according to the time and planning and probability. So altogether depends upon on live market. This is about crude oil special inventory day, and the expectation of reverse trade may be possible today. That will be maybe a flat upside may be possible. This is update about the WTI crude as on today's 26th. Good luck.